Sleek Garden sent me this 8-piece gardening tool set to review, so let's go ahead and check this out. The pruners in this set have a patented spring movement and treated steel blades. This allows you to cut rose stems and trim branches easily. There is a locking mechanism on them so you can keep them secured when not using them. The transplanter is perfect to transplant small plants and flowers. All these tools have a comfortable rubber grip. The trowel is perfect for digging or turning up soil, and it has measurements for gauging your plant depth. The rake is perfect for smoothing soil or breaking up lumps of dirt. The cultivator is perfect for loosening and aerating soil before planting and mixing soil with fertilizer. These tools are made with a heavy-duty rust-fighting aluminum, and they are lightweight. This set also includes a high-density foam kneeling pad, which is 7 inches by 16 inches, a pair of bamboo gloves, and a tote to put all the tools in. The tote is a nice size. It has several pockets to store the tools, and it does come with handles to make it easy to carry. There is a Velcro closure on the top to secure it closed. It's a nice, convenient little tote bag. If you're looking for new gardening tools, this is a really nice set.